Hi, this is Sushil Mundekar, founder and CEO of Empower. And while working with children for last 3.5 years, we are at Podar International School launching our Idea Center, which talks about entrepreneurship, design thinking and innovation programs for grade 3 to grade 9, grade 10. Working with children always surprises us from the upside, and the kind of ideas that they come up with, the kind of opportunities that they talk about, their ability to connect dots, their ability to think on limitless possibilities is wonderful. Podar International is no exception to that. In fact, we are just enamored with the kind of work students are doing. Entrepreneurship skills, entrepreneurship drive and entrepreneurship mindset, how this makes an impact, because when we take these programs to students, they start looking at out-of-box thinking. They start looking at things totally differently. Change mindset. Why do they need to change, and how they can become change driver with the given resources that they have today. They start thinking about it. They start looking at opportunities. Their ability to look at experiences and then define problems out of that, because in real life problems are not defined. They have to identify those problems.
I'm Magman Gujral and I'm taking part in this entrepreneurship workshop. One of the things I enjoyed most about this workshop is the amount of games we play and the way we learn through the games. Another thing I found interesting was vision, passion and drive. We always think that if we're passionate about something or we know what we're going to do, we will be able to get there. But now I realize you don't need one of them in isolation. You need all three. You need your vision. You need to be crystal clear about where you want to go. You need to be excited about what you're doing. It can't just be another job that you're waiting to get home from. And you need the will to do it. You need to really want to do that.
But basically what I learned here was that you need to change for better results and your benefits. For your career, like your future plan, what you want to do, it's important to have a goal in life, like the vision. You should be passionate about it and you should be happy doing it. And it should drive you, like it should attract you. You should put all your efforts that you can to achieve it.
Podar International School is proud to be associated with Empower, which runs an entrepreneurship learning program for children from years 8 to 16. And it was interesting to see the various workshops we had at Podar for various age groups, and I'd like to tell you that what kind of skills the children developed. Definitely this program develops the 21st century skills of the students, and most important skill, that is critical thinking, decision making, communication skills, entrepreneur skills, and also making sure that they are able to develop themselves holistically. So making sure that you reach your vision is very important, to be passionate about what you do, right? So that was a great learning from this entrepreneurship workshop. Very good.
This entire process of entrepreneurship life cycle is not intended to make entrepreneurs out of them. It is basically to build that mindset which they can use for any career that they choose, in order to become, drive changes around them by picking up the career, and then the career becomes the mean. The end objective becomes to give back to the society, to build changes and make meaningful livelihood for themselves. And that's what is the motto of Empower.